Hi, I'm Kate McDermott of Artofthepie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own gluten-free flour mix that you can use for your gluten-free baking. If you have the book Artofthepie, you'll find this recipe on page 79. You'll need 4 things: tapioca starch, cornstarch, sweet white rice flour, and potato starch, and a big jar or a bowl, something, a big vessel to be able to mix it in. So today I'm going to make a double recipe, so it'll be good for 2 pies. And what I have put in here is 1½ cups of tapioca starch. That's 190 grams if you are a scale measurer. It's okay if you're a little messy like me. Then I'm going to put in my cornstarch. For the double recipe, I'm putting in 1½ cups or 196 grams. Now comes my sweet white rice flour, and you can always try and say that 3 times really fast. I'm going to be putting in 1½ cups, and that'll be 232 grams if you are measuring. Finally, I'll be putting in potato starch. For my double recipe, that's 1/2 cup, and that'll be 174 grams. Once I have basically everything in here, I have a little bit around here, but that's not an issue. Then I will put the lid on my jar and shake it up. And now I have a gluten-free flour mix to be able to use in my baking. Thanks so much for joining me today.